Alright, listen up, champions. Today we are not just talking about taking notes, we are talking about creating state up weapons for your success. Notes so clean, so powerful, they will make yourself wanna give you a standing ovation. Let's break it down because amateur writes but pros build system, and you are here to level up. You do not show up the battlefield without your armor, right? Notebook. Good quality, not cheap. You want thick paper, no blending, no mess. Dot grid if you love structure. Lined if you love speed. Or a clean minimalist spiral with sturdy covers. Pens. Black gel pen for the heavy lifting. Add two, maybe three colors for highlighting or side notes. We are keeping it simple but deadly effective. Highlighters. Pick a color scheme you vibe with. Pastel for chill, neon for maximum vibe. If you want to make your notes digital, use tabs. Or if you don't, use sticky notes for quick hits, callouts, and level up movements. And if you want me to upload digital notes, comment down below. It is optional. If you want to use, you can. Take a ruler for clean diagram, washi tape if you wanna flex your style a bit. Your notebook is not just paper, it's your arena. Pick one that feels good to you. Thick pages, strong binding, a cover that says, I am built for greatness. You are gonna be flipping through these pages when you are out there winning. So make sure it's building to last. Now let's talk construction. You do not just stack bricks randomly, you build strong. Same with your notes. Here's the golden blueprint. Top of the page, big, bold title, make it pop. Date always mandatory. You are documenting your rise. Points to remember while you are writing main body is to add bullet points, short, sharp sentences, diagrams, mind maps, draw your ideas alive. Leave margin for mini summaries, questions, and callouts. Aesthetic? Yeah, it's matter, but listen to me. It's function first. Pretty doesn't beat power. Highlight what matters. Color code for efficiency, not decoration. Blue for main ideas, green for examples, red for must know test ready facts. You are not writing to look cute. You are not writing to impress anyone else. You are writing to dominate your field. You are building the playbook of your victory. So lock it in. Pick up that notebook. Gear up. Write smart. Write proud. And when the world see the result, you will know exactly where it started. Right here, right now, on these pages.